Am I gonna save? Not all of it. So you get books when restocking. I get asked all the time, like, do you own a cleaning business? Do you own a laundromat? And, or like, what do you, and I just say, I just like soap. Thank you, Aurora. I appreciate you coming in. Are y'all ready for a little bit of save and get to the rinse? Thank you, Just Vibes. I just like soap. I just tell them, you know, I just like soap. Yes, okay. Now, I'm warning you, I'm not saving all of it, so don't get mad at me, guys. I got nowhere to put this whole sink full. The last time I told the lady I just like soap, she said, oh, well, yeah, you can never have too much, I guess. I just know she probably went home and told her family, this crazy lady came in and told me she likes soap. That's pretty much what I use saves for. I just use them again in a dump. Do I intend to save everything? Absolutely not. Nope, I sure don't. I have no place to put a whole sink full of this paste. But if you live in the New Orleans area and you want some paste, let me know. Is the can soggy yet? No. Actually, I'm basically saving enough so we can add water. That's what I'm doing, actually. Nobody bought the Comet cans. Shameful. Someone needs to buy the Comet cans. I'm a suds lover. I do love, I'm a both lover. I'm an equal opportunity clean talk lover. Why save it? What do you use it for? I don't use it for anything but playing it again later. Yes, but you wanted us to add it immediately and we weren't ready. I'm gonna put it in when I'm ready. And now I'm ready. You'll take it? Come. Good. I like suds, but I like paste sometimes. Whoa. I feel like there's a time and a place for everything. I usually like to start off with suds and then turn it to paste. What do you actually like to clean with? Okay, this is gonna sound so entitled of me. I don't clean. I have a cleaning lady who comes clean my house. Now, none of y'all go ripping me a new one because I have a cleaning lady now, okay? Is this okay to go down the drain? Yeah, it'll be fine. All right, maybe about one more. little jug, and then we can add some water. Babe, no shame, I got one too. Thank you. Does she use your cleaning products? No, she brings her own stuff. And then my husband prefers only Tide in the laundry. That's a flex, no shame. Just give her the paste. Is this the end? We're about to do a fake rinse. Although right now I think we only have a pine glow. Because I haven't seen that friend who sent for cans. I haven't gotten to check, but I don't know. Thank you, Bubbles. Thank you, Jay. I don't know that she knows, because unless you open the closet door, you'd never know. A fake rinse is when you use products to rinse the sponge. Ah, nice, Hella Squish. Wish I had some to hold the sewable. My husband does most of our laundry. Clean up, can we see the stash? Yes. Yes, absolutely, we'll go back to the stash. Okay, say goodbye. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, hey. There she is. I'll help fold, but that's pretty much it. I'm not a laundry girl. I do like to add water to my paste. I'm not gonna lie. But also you need to if you're gonna let it go down the drain. Like, you have to thin it out as much as you can if you're gonna let it go down the drain. I love a watery paste. I'm gonna fill this up as high as it can go. Yeah, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit in it, in the watery squeezes. I'll squeeze a little in it. Yeah, it'll settle. I just shake it back up. I love it too, Annie. I like watching it go down the drain. Shay, front and center cans can be used for rinse. Shay, can you tell me how many cans it was? I didn't get a chance to look. I mean, we can look when we hop out of the sink once we cleaned up a little. What am I making? Pancakes. Yeah, blueberry pancakes. Isn't this how you guys make it? Hi, Bailey. It catches you off guard. Like, why do I have to be making something? The planes add to it. Someone said that earlier too, but the planes add to it. All right, y'all ready? Where are my drain lovers at? My draining lovers. Here we go. Garbage disposal on. I knew, Bailey. I remember the pink picture. Do a swirl. Lioness. That's all she wrote on that combo. Since we're gonna do a fake rinse, I'm not gonna worry about fully cleaning out the sink, like perfectly, but I'm gonna get most of that paste out of here. All gone. I fall asleep all the time, I know. Yeah, she was like, you put me to work today. She gonna be complaining to me all week.